Hazrat Zaid bin Wahab reports, I happened to pass by Rabada and Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu was there. I said, why are you staying here? He said, I was in Syria and there arose a difference of opinion between me and Hazrat Muawiyah regarding verse وَالَّذِينَ يَكْنِزُونَ الذَّهَبَ وَالْفِضَّةَ وَلَا يَنْفِقُونَهَا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ. Hazrat Muawiyah said, it is revealed about the people of the books. I said, it is revealed about them and us. So there remained a clash between me and him regarding this verse. He thereupon sent Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu a written complaint against me. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu asked me to come to Madinah Munawwara. I went there and people crowded around me as if they had not seen me before. I mentioned it to Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu. So he said to me, if you wish, leave that place and settle in my vicinity. That's why I have settled here. If an Ethiopian has been made my chief, I will listen to him and obey him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1406.